You don't know.
This call is from a federal prison.
They don't think that we have brain power to evolve from one state to another. You know, once you get classified in one state, then they won't let you evolve. You know, I've done this and I've done that. I'm trying to do something else now. It ain't about that. You know.
Right.
They act like I'm on the streets, fighting on the street corners. You know.
Crazy.
The shit that you did in '64 and shit.
And they witnessed so many change, you know what I mean? Yeah.
But I really, from the way they come at me, I think they really believe this crazy shit.
Wow.
They got to believe it.
I think some of it they know, and some of it they just being evil. You know what I mean? Yeah, and that's why it's so important. We need to be able to hear from you on these truths so we could, you know, change things for the betterment in the future. And they're afraid of that, but that's nothing to be afraid of.
You know Bobby Royce come down here, right?
Oh, wow.
He came down here to see me about see what I can do, what I can do out there on them streets. They was upset about that.
Yeah, you know. Man, you know, I don't know why people want to see our people stay in bondage, you know, and it appears to me that anybody that can help and make a difference is an enemy to them, you know, from being freed from bondage. But, you know, I can't, that's why I'm inspired to do like you said, keep swinging to make a difference.
Hello?
How you doing?
Hey, what's happening?
How's it going?
I'm good. How you?
Oh, I'm blessed. Yeah, I'm blessed.
You told me that you just had a surprise party, huh?
Yeah, oh man, we had a ball. We had, they
I'm living vicariously.
I could dig it. Yeah, we call it the black royalty. That was the theme of it, black royalty.
Okay.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, man. We had a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm glad, man. Hey, I had to meet with them lawyers, you know?
Yeah. Before you go there, I wanna commend. You know, the day has been a beautiful day, right? And something real special has taken place. You know, that step down thing that Trump has put in effect seemed to be real. You know, your oldest son is on his way in, from my understanding.
Oh, okay.
Right? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Unbelievable, right?
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, I was scared about that, you know?
Yeah.
I was scared about that, you know? Because he come in last and they put all kind of twists and turns on him, you know?
Right.
But no, wait.
Yeah, the Lord worked in mysterious ways.
Man, you just made my
Yeah. I thought you would like that, so I said I better start it off with this before anything go wrong, you know?
That's right. You know, I tried to, I called and it didn't go through.
Yeah. Yeah, I was coming up in that elevator.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know that shit, I hung up and then I called Willie and I said, fuck this shit. I hung her up again and called one more time.
You know what? I'm glad you done that because that's what I done. I hung up. I mean, after I didn't get it, I had her on the other line when you was calling. And I said, hold on, this him. Oh, man. Great minds work alike. Yeah, I already know. Yeah, I done the same thing.
I'm right now working on getting this paper straight about his marriage thing.
Beautiful. Yeah, you know, she been really looking forward to that, so.
She got it coming. I don't care how loud and dirty I am. She got that coming.
Yeah. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah.
He's eligible for release today under the First Step and Fair Sentencing Acts that rendered the drug laws he was sentenced to life for as racist and unconstitutional. The average person ages out of criminal activity while incarcerated when they turn 60. Larry is 70. He's completed thousands of hours of educational courses that show his rehabilitation. He's been in isolation for 25 years of 6 life sentences for a non-violent drug offense. He has clean conduct while in federal prison. He's maintained all of his good time credit in a prison that scrutinizes his every move. He's suffering from several chronic medical conditions. 6 out of the 9 people he was indicted with have been released by the First Step Act.
You don't know.